Alright, so I wanted to make a video on these plain Jane hemp chews. We buy these for our beagle, and the specific reason that we buy these is because you get 30 of these in this little container. And you can see the directions say half soft chew per 25 pounds. So our dog Zeppelin's like 35 pounds, so we really just give him one half chew a day. So this lasts us 60 days, so just over 2 months. It has 5 milligrams of CBD per chew and up to 60 servings, 30 chews. This is the top of it. USA Hemp, choose wisely. When you unscrew it, they all come sealed, which is nice. So that's the size of one chew. So if you had like a 50-pound dog or cat, you would give them this whole entire chew. I can say our beagle didn't have any issues with taking these at all. And the reason we bought them was he was having lots of seizures every month, from what my wife said. And so I suggested CBD. We found these CBD treats, and he went from having them monthly to literally having maybe one every 6 months. That's been our experience with these. They have been truly great. There's a better size comparison for you in an SD card. And if you break it in half like we do, you know, they get a little chew every day, and it seemed to really help our dog. And so that's it for the Super Snouts Hemp Company Plain Jane Soothing Hemp Chews for cats and dogs.